like, share, and leave your comments at the comment section. And once again, a good year. And you are watching Cover Girl, a good year Papa B TV. So someone asks, what again? I mean, what next? Okay, so after lifting your soul, the next thing for you to do is meditation. You meditate. How often do you meditate? Do you even have candles? Do you have incense from your spiritual herd? Make sure that the incense you use is always consecrate. Let your spiritual herd consecrate it, okay? Let it consecrate it before you use. Don't go out there and purchase just any incense. Those outside the country, you can use sage. It's okay. There are better incense out there. I mean, those living in abroad, there are better incense. But make sure that you're getting the right incense, okay? But I mean, we are in Ghana, they are Walantu Walansa incense. Don't go and be getting Walantu Walansa incense and be burning before you realize that the other spirits, you're surrounded with, I mean, negative energies. You're surrounded with spirit that you barely have, I mean, an idea of. Make sure that, like, every incense that you will use for your spiritual works, if you're in Ghana, then it should come from your spiritual heart, your spiritual head, okay? Let your spiritual head consecrate it for you. Let him or her purify it for you. Don't purchase it yourself. I know what I'm talking about. So you do meditation. Anytime you're doing meditation, if it's, I mean, just get a sage. Sage is better. I think there are more incense out there. But in order not for you to entangle yourself with other incense and you calling upon other spirits, I beg of you, try and get sage. If you don't know how to get sage, contact me and I'll get you. I mean, contact me and get your money ready, and I'll give you some. Okay, so moi, Moonim how to get sage. You don't know where to get sage. You're in Ghana and you don't know where to get sage. Contact me. Namima will be okay, so that we bless it for you to use it, and you get the maximum result that's okay. And for making sure say umpaye aobebo, you burn incense. I've been saying this all the time. And sure we know, and come to me, na me my instructions be now soon this so any masem. Any masem. I'm not gonna force you. My line, my discipline. I know the kind of discipline I gave myself. Before say me juha. I was disciplined. So if you are not this, forget it. You can't roll. Because spirituality, our secrecy is our hallmark. Bibi yawo, and you tell me, I don't expect me to go out there and blow it. I can say it's obi, and your problem be obi nyawe, but I can't blow it. So when something is done for you, something is being made for you, don't go out there and be spreading. When you spread it, now your own problem. I don't give a hoot. But be disciplined. Para, I have para. But I was holding back, giving, the respect to whoever is due. So, I was only holding back because of some people. So I beg of you, make sure that anytime you meditate, you use your incense. Don't forget that you use your incense. So when you light your candle, at least burn like 3 incense at a go. If it's sage is one. Okay, so if it's incense stick, you burn like 3, maybe different incense, maybe frankincense, maybe myrrh. I mean, like incense. It should comes with favor incense, money incense. Like burn like 3, but mix it. Mix the incense based on your request. based on your meditation, your prayer request. Don't forget this. So I repeat, if for some reason you are in Ghana and you're finding it hard to get some of the incense, or you don't know where to get it, you don't know where to get the right incense, I mean the good incense, contact me and I'll get some ready for you. Or any spiritual items that you feel that you know, like you need upper spirit, like upper hand to bless it, contact me, I'm ready. Okay, so anytime you're meditating, you close your eyes. So after your egg rituals, the next thing you will do, if you're not working the next day, if you're the free type of a person that you're not entangled with any job, I'll beg you to meditate before you sleep. It's good. It's good for the brain. It's good for your soul and spirit. It's good. So make sure that you do it for me. Okay. So after the ritual, the egg rituals, you wash yourself with salt and with rainwater. You know, when I say rainwater, you know what I mean, how to source your rainwater. So if you're wondering, you can ask questions. I mean, ask questions at the comment section. Those who are familiar with what I'm talking about will surely they will reply you at the comment section. Once again, you're watching CoverGirl TV, a good year Papa B TV. I am CoverGirl, and you can as well address me as a good year. What I do at the studio is man must job. I have to work because the Bible's inside as I say. But way is what I'm assigned to do. I'm here to help you. That's my mission, and it's time. That's my mission. So ABM, you wash yourself with rainy water and with salt. With salt, rocky salt, Epsom salt. So after washing yourself, cross your leg, you light your candle and you light your incense. You burn, close your eyes and open your hands like that. Okay, arms, and meditate based on your prayer request. If it's marriage that you want, if it's a man you're looking for, close your eyes, imagine it like the man is standing right in front of you, and I mean he's about proposing, and the excitement, the joy that it comes with. If his baby, imagine that there's this greater grace hand, you know, giving you babies, and the next thing that you saw was you're pregnant. Like, just imagine. Okay, imagine. I can only imagine. So imagine, based on your prayer requests, just imagine. If a sickness, imagine that like there's a greater hand that is delivering you. Imagine. That's all. When you're done, you don't have to blow candle to off it. Okay, there's a way to off it, that you hold it via the tip. Okay, you hold it by where the flame is. Just hold it, don't blow. Okay, just hold it and you are done. The incense, make sure you guard it. See, in as much as we're doing spirituality, we have to use this. So guard your candle. When you're done praying, just off it. Okay, the incense, if you don't have incense container, make sure that your incense is always like there's a ceramic plate below where your incense is. Okay, so that you don't burn your homes, your house, you don't burn someone's apartment. Is that okay? We're doing spirituality, but I have to prompt you that we have to use this. It was for as I need a brofuna na maka. Yes, I didn't catch you a happy move, and yeah, because YouTube and then you be brave. So since my target market is not only in Ghana, I have to spread my wings for other people, you know, to have their share of the page. Once again, you're welcome to the CoverGirl TV, a good year Papa D TV. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, leave your comments, and share to groups for other people to have access to. I'm Cover Girl. See you soon.